How's it going, everyone? This is Johan here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be another update on Blue Ox model shop, his street machine group build, and then I got some stash ads I guess I'll share with you guys. Before we get this started though, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. I'll never ask you for a thing, guys. Just like, share, and subscribe. And if there's anybody that I ever mention in these videos, I always leave a link below. We have a lot of talented people, modelers in our community, our YouTube community. I mean, not just modelers. I'm talking your RC guys, your let's see, your Hot Wheels, Matchbox, diecast guys. I mean, your figure painters, your military guys. You know, this is one big YouTube community, and we all support each other. And there's so many new YouTubers coming up. I haven't even had a chance to get to half of them. You know, I mean, there's so many guys. Y'all just try to support each and every one that you can. And all right, let me shut up and get started. Well, the other day I was sitting at work. It was Saturday. It was my weekend to work. And my buddy Tommy Watson called me up and said, "Hey, John Castleberry's trying to get a hold of you." Another guy I work with. Known him for years. Known both these guys forever, you know. Work with them and stuff. And John, he's a Hot Wheel customizer, restorer, and collector, and he dabbles a little bit in model cars. Well, he was at the his local Walmart, which was a town over from me, and he said, "Hey, you got to get down here. All model kits have been marked down to $5 a piece, every one of them. Didn't matter what it was, $5 a piece." I said, "Man, okay, yeah, you know, I'm here at work," and here this was probably about, I say 3 o'clock, and I didn't get out of there. I wouldn't get out of there at 6:30. So I was like, man, I hope there's something left, you know. And then too, it's another 30 minutes or so to get to that Walmart. I was like, man, I hope there's something left. Well, sure enough, I get off. I get down there as quick as possible. Try not to speed, you know. $5 models, you can't beat that, you know. And so I get down there. They had quite a bit left. Now, John, he had got the Cal drag team for $5. You know, that's the Galaxy and the trailer with the Falcon on it. $5. You know, I have 12 of those model kits, and I ordered 2 of them when they announced it was coming out. You know, I paid like $70 a piece for both of those. And then all the rest of them I found at Walmart's, all from Kentucky to up to New York to, you know, here in Arkansas, whatever, I found on the way, you know. And I think the most I paid at Walmart was like $30, you know, 27, whatever it was, $30 with tax. And then the cheapest I've paid for them has been like $15. I ain't never got one for $5. He lucked out. He got the last one of those. I didn't get that. And he got a good deal on that, $5. I think he got some of the diesel trucks and stuff like that for $5. Now, by the time I got there, the diesel trucks were gone. But, man, I still got some great stuff. And I'll pause this out and take you over here because there's too many to sit here and show you because I got an update to do, too. And y'all don't want to hear me yap all damn day. So, yeah, and, you know, this is Memorial Day weekend. Y'all know what the reason is for. You know, it's to honor the fallen. So, you know, y'all take time for prayer. And then, so, you know, that being said, I got a lot of stuff going on. This video will probably, I'm filming it tonight. It'll probably be Sunday night for this. You see this video. But I might be able to get one more before the end of this weekend. I kind of doubt it, but that's why I'm trying to throw these in. But I'm going to shut my mouth. I'm going to show you this. And then after that, stick around and I'll show you my update on my Johan 442 for the Street Machine group build. Let me pause this out and show it to you. Now this whole 2 stacks right here is what I picked up at Walmart. $5 a piece, guys. $5 a piece. Look at that. I think there's what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 model kits there. Paid $5 a piece for them. You can't beat that. Down here I got 2 of those Surf Sharks, a couple of those 29 Model A pickup Woodies, a couple of International Scouts, a 64 Oldsmobile 442 hardtop, 60 Chevy with go-kart, the 68 El Camino with the Soapbox Derby car, 3 of the Chevy 2 Nova 2 funny cars there, ultra wheelbase, Camaro 70.5, 2 65 Bonnevilles, a 66 Pro Street Nova wagon, Galaxy, 267 Impala SS's, the Supernatural 4-door Impala, and 3 of those GMC Jimmys, guys. $5. I suggest y'all start looking at y'all's Walmarts and see if they clearance them out. Now let me pause this, get it turned around, and show you what I got done on this Street Machine group build, guys. Alright, here we are at the bench here, and the Blue Walks Model Shop is throwing the group build you see here. This is the Street Machine group build, and here's another update on it, guys. This is where I'm at so far. Alright, y'all know I'm building the 1970 Oldsmobile hardtop 442 by Johan. Justin from J Hart Model Works resin cast them wheels and the Ultima battery sitting in that thing. And this is where we're at so far. I don't know if y'all can see real good. I've been polishing and waxing this thing. Just got her mocked up a little bit. I'm going to dissect it here in a second and show you what's going on. Yeah, there's not much left to button this thing up, and the next update will be the final on this. So I'm going to give you a little spin around here. Boy, she sure is shiny. She's looking good. I still have my little bad spot in that door over there. I've tried sanding and waxing it. It's just a bad spot. You know, the car's not going to have decals, so I mean, I could cover it up if I had decals for it, but it is what it is. It's just going to be a shelf queen. So let me take this apart and show y'all what I got going on. Let's deconstruct this bad boy. Let's take it all apart here. Take it off there. Throw this in the floor. Alright, let's start with this interior. You can see I've done the charcoal gray carpet. I've done the wood grain on the dash. And the steering wheel and the dash. You can see in the middle console, I got the white Hurst shift knob. I got the wood grain in the door panels. It's not the best in the world, but you know, everything's molded in. It's all one piece. I can't take it apart to detail it the best. So, you know, that is what it is. Let's see. So far, we got the engine wired up. Got the Ultima battery in it. Let's see. There's Justin's wheels. Look at those beautiful wheels. I don't know if you can see the caliper and the disc brakes through there or not, but here's the back ones. Yeah, I don't know if you're going to be able to see them or not, guys, but here's the underneath. You know, it's all molded in one piece stuff, so you know there's not a lot you can do with it. So yeah, that's what we got going on there so far. Give her a little look around this way. Alright, and There's the hood. I'm trying to get her waxed out a little bit more. But she's smooth as can be. Smooth as can be. You can almost see a reflection in it. It's getting there. Same thing with the top and stuff. I still got to do the marker, paint in the marker lights, do the keyholes. You can see where I've got the master cylinder and stuff in, the radiator. Yeah, that's where she's at, guys. Not much else to tell you. Just get over there and subscribe to this guy right here. And go check out everybody in his group build, Street Machine group build. And yeah. All right. Please like, share, and subscribe. Till the next update. Bye.